The crypto market moves in predictable cycles, right? Wrong. Some projects are rewriting the rules, and you could miss out if you're not paying attention. With the rise of tokenized real-world assets, or RWAs, and next-gen Oracle solutions, coins like XRP, ONDO, Chainlink, and PYTH are breaking away from the pack. What if I told you these projects might decouple from Bitcoin cycles entirely? Stick around to find out which coins are defying the norm and how you can position yourself for massive gains. Let's get it.
I'm not a financial advisor.
Welcome to BitBoyX, home of the Bit Squad, the highest IQ investors in all the interwebs. I'm your humble host, the BitBoy, here to guide you through the biggest opportunities in this bull run. If you are serious about learning about how RWAs and Oracle solutions are reshaping the entire market, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to hit that noti bell. Today, we're diving deep into why some coins are possibly rewriting the crypto rulebook. The crypto market has always been tied directly to Bitcoin's 4-year cycle, but that's changing. Some coins are poised to break free, driven by utility, adoption, and innovations that go far beyond speculative narratives. Number 1, the RWA Revolution. Real-world assets are becoming one of the most promising sectors in crypto. With tokenized assets projected to hit 16 to 30 trillion minimum by 2030. At the forefront of this movement is ONDO Finance, BlackRock's chosen platform for tokenizing US treasuries. This isn't just a niche use case, it's a seismic shift in how financial systems operate. Why ONDO matters? Well, you don't have to look any further than institutional adoption. ONDO is leading the way for RWAs, providing a gateway for traditional institutions to embrace blockchain. And when it comes to growth potential, it's off the charts. As institutions move assets on chain, the demand for platforms like ONDO is going to explode, decoupling its trajectory from Bitcoin cycles. Oracles, the Chainlink PYTH showdown. Oracles have always been critical to DeFi, but now we're starting to see a new contender take on the giant. While Chainlink paved the way, PYTH is setting a new standard with faster, more decentralized, and highly accurate data feeds. And people are starting to realize that PYTH, it could actually outperform Chainlink. You see, it's got next generation technology. It delivers better performance at a fraction of the cost, challenging Chainlink's dominance. And when we think back on historical context, Chainlink's run during the 2019 bear market, it proved that Oracle projects could pump independently of Bitcoin. PYTH is positioned to do the same, but better. Number 3, XRP, the wild card. You can't talk about breaking cycles without mentioning XRP. As the elite's chosen asset for global liquidity, XRP operates in a league of its own, with regulatory clarity and partnerships across the globe. XRP is set to capitalize on the massive flow of cross-border payments. Now, what sets XRP apart is the demand. Well, it's driven by utility. XRP's role as a bridge asset for payments gives it a utility that transcends speculative cycles. It has institutional backing, it's clear. Their partnerships with banks and payment providers have positioned XRP as a staple in the new world order of our financial system, New World Finance. But when we look at what this means for your portfolio, you have to consider that this is how to capitalize on breaking the cycle narratives. You can diversify your portfolio with RWAs now. Allocate a portion of your portfolio to ONDO to ride the wave of institutional adoption. You should definitely bet on Oracle. It's been a proven strategy to work, proven by DeFi. PYTH has the potential to outperform Chainlink, making it a strong pick for long-term gains. And of course, guys, don't ever forget, do not sleep on XRP. If XRP truly breaks free from the traditional cycle, it could lead the charge into a new era of crypto and crypto investing. The days of every coin moving in lockstep with Bitcoin, well, they're coming to an end. RWAs and next-gen Oracle solutions are paving the way for projects that thrive independently. If you're paying attention, you can position yourself to win no matter where Bitcoin's cycle takes us next. So here's the bottom line. ONDO, PYTH, and XRP, they aren't just riding the cycle, they're breaking it. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, it's time to diversify and prepare for a new era in crypto. For trading opportunities, don't forget to check out Phemex. I've got my link down below in the description where you get up to $30,000 in USDT for bonuses. And as always, be sure to smash that like and subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to stay plugged into the Bit Squad. Remember, this is your moment. Don't let it pass. That's all I've got. Be blessed. BitBoy out.